Hey, this will be a video chart on HMIT. Did this one during this portion right here of the chart and went quiet for a little bit in a good way and has since come back to life and starting to make more noise today. So real quick, let's just go over the history of the chart. Like I said, the last time I did it was during this portion here, and then we had the period of the pullback, had a couple of candles here, but the key thing to note was volume during this pullback period was never anything really out of control, very minimal compared to the upside volume. And then we started to see some life come into it late last week, and then yesterday did break up above this 14-cent resistance. Couldn't quite maintain it as it closed below, but then today not only closed below it but blew through all the other resistance levels. So in a nutshell, today was a very good day. These two red lines here are from the last time I did it. These were resistance levels that we were looking at to get through, and now that the price is closed well above them, they have now become areas of support. So that is the first thing that needs to be updated on this chart, is these resistances need to be changed to support. So that kind of leads off the video with answering where are the support levels at. We have one here at 0.0001, and then the other one being right here at 0.0012. Now what I'm going to do is make this one a little thicker, because this is a level that I'm going to consider pretty important in terms of the overall health of the chart. This level right here, yes, the price could come down here, and ideally it'd be great if the price could maintain and hold above it. But if it were a situation where the price went below it, nothing to panic about. But this is where 0.001, the level that I don't want to see it fall. And the reason is, if this is a truly strong move, then this level should have no problem holding. And we can just go right back to an example on this one. This move here, going back in time right here, the key test would have been, if this is a truly strong move, then this orange line here, the 200-day simple moving average, should be able to hold as support. Because if it's not a strong move, then yeah, or if it's not a truly strong move, it wouldn't. But as you can see, when it pulled back, came down here, tested, passed the test, and showed that this was a genuinely strong move because this support held, and now you can see the results of it showing that it does have true strength. Same thing now, except we're not going to wait for the 200-day to give us a test. We want this previous resistance right here at 0.001 to kind of act the same way it does. So once again, if this is a truly strong move and the price decides to pull all the way back here, like it held here at the 200-day, we want to see it be able to hold here. And if it can do that, then the genuinely strong move will continue, and the bull should be able to get more and more in charge. The other good thing is, if the price can at least maintain its levels, or better yet, keep pushing up, we're approaching a possible golden cross. That may not be for another few weeks or a month, but nonetheless, that is taking shape here. But we're going to need the price to keep on chugging upwards in order to make sure that this 50-day keeps pushing upwards too. So if we can get that, then that's just going to confirm the strong trend. But overall, things are looking good so far. Now for resistance levels, I'm not sure what I'm going to have to do. There we go. The current resistance, and maybe that's right where we bounced off. Nope, not yet. But the current resistance is right where it closed today at 0.017 or 0.0017, excuse me. If you go back here, you can see through the history of the chart, there's been a few times it's hit that. And then after that, really the next resistance level is not up till 0.002. Once again, if you go back here and look at the chart, you can see a few areas where the price bounced off there. So these are going to be the two new areas of resistance. I'll get these both updated with red, and those will be future battlegrounds. Just like I did here, these were broken and it warranted an update. So I'll continue to watch, and if it can continue to close over these resistance levels, I'll be back to keep the chart updated. But overall, chart's looking good and had a nice move today on some nice volume. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and subscribe to the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and it's all free. So it's worth at least signing up, giving it a try, and seeing what it's all about. We've been making some good money together, so I'd recommend that you sign up and at least check it out. One more time, this was HMIT. Thanks for listening.